Unlock a faster way to shop your favorite items on Amazon by using Venmo for a smoother checkout experience. First things first, ensure you have the latest version of the Venmo app installed on your smartphone and that your account is set up and ready to go. Now, open the Amazon app on your phone or navigate to Amazon.com on your desktop. We need to access your account settings. Look for the account option, often found under a navigation menu or your profile icon. Within your account settings, find the section dedicated to payment options or wallet. This is where you'll manage all your payment methods. You'll see an option to add a payment method. Tap on this to bring up the various payment types you can link to your Amazon account. Scroll through the available options until you find Venmo. Select Venmo to initiate the linking process. Amazon will now prompt you to log into your Venmo account securely. Enter your Venmo username or email and your password. Make sure you're using the correct login details for your Venmo account. Once you've successfully logged in and authorized the connection, you'll see a confirmation on Amazon stating that your Venmo account has been linked. Congratulations, your accounts are now connected. Now, the next time you're ready to make a purchase on Amazon, add your desired items to your cart and proceed to checkout as usual. During the checkout process, instead of selecting your credit card or other stored payment methods, simply choose Venmo as your preferred payment option. You might receive a notification from Venmo on your phone prompting you to approve the transaction. Open your Venmo app to review and confirm the payment details. Approve the payment within Venmo, and the transaction will be completed securely and seamlessly. And that's it. Your Amazon order is confirmed, with the payment conveniently handled through Venmo. Enjoy a faster, more integrated shopping experience.